Let's see the chapter number 2, electrostatic potential and capacitance. So let's see the first question. In the certain region of space with volume is 0.2 meter cube, the electric potential is found to be 5 volt throughout. This is the throughout, that is 5 volt. The magnitude of electric field in this region. So what is the magnetic electric field is question mark. So now this is called as a 0.2 meter cube of volume. Okay, hagadre 5 volt throughout the surface is, that is 5 volt. So 5 volt means this is called as which surface? This is called as a equipotential surface. So equipotential surface means the potential remains constant. The potential remains constant throughout the surface. So potential remains constant means the potential difference that is equal to V2 minus V1 is equal to how much? 0. Why? The potential remains constant means that will be the 0. Hagadre we know that electric field is equal to minus dV by what? dr. So that is potential difference is 0 means what is electric field? Electric field is 0. So that is A option is the right answer for first question. So let's move to the second question. The second question is a bullet of mass 2 gram having the charge is 2 microcoulomb through what potential difference? So through the what potential difference must be accelerated. So starting from the rest. So starting from the rest means that is the initial velocity is equal to 0. So final velocity is equal to how much? 10 meter per second. So you had to find out potential difference. So potential difference means you had to calculate V is potential difference is question mark. So we know that is a charge. It is a bullet is here. So this bullet is moving with the, so this is how much gram? 2 gram. So having charge, so this charge is how much? 2 microcoulomb. So this is a moving. Okay, so moving means this is called as what? Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to mv square. So this kinetic energy is equal to work done. So work done is equal to how much? That is a EV. Okay, EV potential difference. This is the equation. Potential difference, that is a V is equal to, so V is equal to mv square divided by 2 E. E means charge. Okay, Q. So mass is how much? 2 gram. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So V square. So V square means speed is 10 square. 10 into 10. So divided by 2 into, so 2 into charge is 2 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, so now we get the answer is 2 get cancelled. So that is 1 by 2, that is a 0.5 into 10 to the power of, so 112 minus 1, so 5, that is equal to 50 into 10 to the power of 3, 50 kilovolt. So that is a option B is the right answer for the second question. So let's move to the third question. So the third question is on the basis of potential due to the point charge. The electric potential at a point in the free space due to the charge q coulomb is q into 10 to the power of 11 volts. The electric field at that point. So you have to find out what electric field at that point is how much. So then let's see the solution for the problem. The first one is, so that is a potential is equal to, so V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by what? R. Okay. So that is equal to, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ potential, that is a Q into 10 to the power of 11 volts. That is the value. So that is a, so now this is a capital Q. So Q get cancelled. So that is 1 by R is equal to how much? 4 pi epsilon naught into 10 to the power of 11. But we know that electric field is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. So R square means that is E is equal to, so E is equal to, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R. So Q divided by R andre that is called as V. So that is V divided by R. Hagadre V is equal to how much? V is Q into 10 to the power of 11 into, so what is 1 by R? So that is 1 by R. So 1 by R is equal to this much, 4 pi epsilon naught into 10 to the power of 11. So what is the answer? Q into 4 pi epsilon naught into 10 to the power of 22. So which is the answer? So 4 pi epsilon naught Q 10 to the power of 12, that is a option C is the right answer for this question. So let's move to the next question, that is the question number 4. So as per diagram, a point charge plus Q is placed at the, so origin O. Okay, so let's see, this is a, which charge is placed is here, positive charge is placed here. Work done in taking another point charge minus Q from A to the, so A, where it is A is 0 comma A, and to the B point, so B point is A comma 0 along the straight path, So this is the 4 option. Hagadre we know that is a, so this is coordinate, hagadre x comma y. So hagadre y distance eshtayitu? x0, y a distance. Okay, so a distance. So this is x comma y, hagadre x ಎಷ್ಟು distance nallide? a distance. ನೋಡಿ hagadre potential due to point charge is k q by distance r a. The potential at A is equal to potential at B. So potential both are same. Andaga, what is work done? So that is a work done is equal to how much? That is a 0. Okay, potential difference, that is VA minus VB is equal to work done from A to the B divided by Q naught. The potential difference is same, andre both are cancelled. That is work done is equal to how much? 0. That is a option A is the right answer for 4th question. So let's move to the question number 5th. So question number 5th anna nodi. A short electric dipole has dipole moment of 16 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb meter. The electric potential due to the dipole at a distance 0.6 meter from the center of the dipole. So saturated at a line making an angle is equal to how much? 60 degree. So that is a dipole moment. So P is equal to 16 into 10 to the power of minus 9 coulomb meter. ಅದು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ? So question ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ? The electric potential due to the dipole, electric potential. So the electric potential with the certain angle. So this is a dipole plus Q and minus Q at the certain angle. So theta angle ಅಲ್ಲಿ potential is equal to how much? That is Kp cos theta divided by r square. So this is the formula. So then now you have to put the value, that is a V is equal to K value is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into P is 16 into 10 to the power of minus 9 into cos how much? 60 degree. So divided by r square. Distance is 0.6. So 0.6 anna 6 into 10 to the power of minus 1 whole square. So now you have to value. So plus 9 minus 9 get cancelled. 9 into 16 into cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So into 6 square is 36 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So 9 1 ja 9 4 ja 4 4 4 ja. So 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. So that is answer is 2 into 100. That is a 200 volt. So which is the right answer? That is option B is the right answer for the fifth question. Ready? Question number 6. Two metal spheres, one of radius r and other radius is 2r. So two metal spheres, this is a radius is r. So this is the another one, the radius is how much? 2r. So respectively have the same charge density. Same charge density means sigma sigma. So they are brought in contact. So let's say they are brought in contact. Okay, brought in contact and separate. Okay, and separate. Okay, this is the separate. So this is a radius is our contact madadaga does not impact on the dimensions 2r. So what will be the new surface charge density? This is a sigma 1 and sigma 2. Okay, what is the new surface charge density? So let's see the solution. First one, surface charge density, that is a surface charge density is equal to charge by what? Surface area. Okay, hagadre charge, that is the first one charge is q1. This is a q1 charge, this is a q2 charge. Hagadre q1 is equal to surface charge density into surface area is 4 pi r square into sigma. So q2 is equal to 4 pi, what is radius? 2r square. So 2r whole square into sigma. So that is equal to 4 into 4 pi r square sigma. So then q2 is equal to, what is answer? That is a 4q1. Okay, 4q1. So next one is according to the law of, that is a conservation of charge. Okay, conservation of charge. So conservation of charge means charge neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, conservation of charge, the charge is conservation of charge. So conservation of charge prakara, that is the first charge is Q1 plus Q2 is equal to, after the charge ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Q1 dash, this is Q2 dash, Q1 dash plus Q2 dash. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ we know that is a potential ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So this potential when they are contact, so contact ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಾಗ potential it is what remains same for both one. Okay, so potential ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the work is done to bring the charge from higher to the lower. So when the level is same, that means potential is same. This is a potential is equal to this potential. Another potential is equal to, that is a K Q1 dash divided by R is equal to K Q2 dash divided by radius is how much, 2R. So K get cancelled, that is a R get cancelled. Q2 dash is equal to 2Q1 dash. So this is the potential is remains same constant. Okay, hagadre now we have to put the value, that is a Q1, what is Q2, Q2 is equal to 4Q1, so that is a plus 4Q1 is equal to Q1 dash plus 2Q1 dash. So now after the simplification, that is a 5Q1 is equal to 3Q1 dash. Q1 dash is equal to, what is the value for Q1 dash? So Q1 dash is equal to 5 by 3 Q1. So 5 by 3 Q1 means 5 by 3. What is the Q1 is value? Q1 is 4 pi R square into sigma. So now, okay. So the next one is sigma, surface charge density. Come to the point of surface charge density. That is a surface charge density sigma is equal to charge Q1 dash divided by 4 pi R square. By the, what is Q1 dash value? Q1 dash value is 5 by 3 4 pi R square into sigma divided by 4 pi R square. So now 4 pi R square get cancelled. So now what is the value for sigma? This is sigma 1. What is the value of sigma 1? Sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 3 sigma. This is a sigma 1 value. Nodi, sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 3 sigma value bantu. So now you have to find out the sigma 2. So how to find out the sigma 2? So sigma 2 is find out from same method. So this method in the madana nodi. Q2 dash, that is similarly sigma 2 is equal to Q2 dash divided by 4 pi, what is radius? Radius yesterday, second one radius is 2R, that is a 2R whole square. So then sigma 2 is equal to what is Q2 dash? Q2 is equal to 2Q1 dash. 2Q1 dash andre, so Q1 dash is equal to how much? 2 into, what is Q1 dash? Q1 dash value is 5 by 3 Q1. Q1 dash is equal to 5 by 3 Q1, that is 4 pi R square sigma. So that Q2 is equal to Q1 dash less takanega. So 10 by 3 Q1. So 4 pi into 4R square. So that is equal to, so 10 by, so 3 into 4 into 4 pi R square. So into, what is a Q1? Q1 is 4 pi r square into sigma. So now what are the terms are cancelled? 4 pi r square get cancelled. So that is a sigma 2 is equal to, so 2 2 ja 2 pi ja. So that is answer is 5 by 6 sigma. So which is the right answer? Sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 3. Sigma 1 is equal to 5 by 3. Sigma 2 is equal to 5 by 6 sigma. That is a option D is the right answer. A conducting sphere of radius. This is a conducting sphere of radius r is given charge is Q. The electric potential and electric field. Electric potential and electric field. So the electric field. What is the electric potential inside? So electric potential inside. So inside ali up to the how much? Up to the surface matanu same irutte. That is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught q by what? R. So this is the electric potential at the inside. What is electric field inside? Okay, so inside nalli electric field, that is called as what? It is a conducting. So conducting means inside alli enagirutte electric field 0. What is the answer? Electric potential is equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R and 0. That is a option B is the right answer for 7th question. So 8th question. 4 charges minus Q are placed at the each corner of the square. So let's see, this is a square. Okay, so that is a charge value is how much? That is minus Q, 2Q and 2 capital Q. Are placed at the corner square. The relationship between Q and Q, the potential at the center of the square is 0. So center nalli potential at the center is equal to 0. So potential at the center is equal to 0 means potential due to, this is A, B, C, D. Potential due to A plus potential due to B, potential due to C, potential due to D. All the potentials is equal to potential at C is equal to potential at A, potential at B, potential at C, potential at D. Overall is equal to 0. So center, that is a center of andre. So that should be, it is a side A. Sides are same. Distance ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ a square that is a by root 2 a by root 2 a by root 2 a by root 2. So now that is a potential at the center is equal to 0 is equal to, so k, first one k minus q minus kq divided by, so distance is a by root 2 minus kq divided by a by root 2, then plus k into 2q divided by a by root 2 plus k into 2q divided by a by root 2. So what is a common factor? So nodi elladralli common factor, that is k a by root 2 common. So k a by root 2 anna common tagre, so what is remaining in the bracket? Minus q plus 2q plus 2 capital Q is equal to 0 center nalli. So you have to do the cross multiplication. This is overall term is equal to 0. So now this is minus q, this one is equal to q. So this one is equal to plus q is equal to 0. So this is cross multiplication, that is 0. Hagadre what is q is equal to minus q. So which is the right answer? Q is equal to minus q. That is a option A is the right answer for the 8th question. Today 9th question. 4 electric charges plus q minus q and minus q are placed at the corners of the square of side 2L. So that is a side is how much? 2L. 2L. The electric potential A, you have to find out potential is A middle between the positive q's, middle between the positive, this means L, this is a L. So now you have to find out potential is here. So potential due to 1 by 1, the potential due to P, Q or S. Potential due to P is given, or potential at A due to P, Q. Potential due to R. This is a right triangle. This is 2L square andre 4L square. So 4L square plus L square andre 5L square. That means this value is how much? So this value is root 5L. Okay. So 2L square andre 4L square plus L square. This is this one. This is also root 5L. So now easily to calculate potential at A. Potential at A is equal to potential due to this one. So that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by L plus this one 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is a minus symbol. Why minus? Because minus charge is here. So minus Q divided by this distance is how much? Root 5L. Potential due to R minus KQ divided by root 5L. So this is plus KQ divided by L. So the potential at A is equal to, so these two ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2KQ. So 2, so this one and this one 2KQ divided by L. So this is minus 2KQ divided by root 5L. So now what is common factor? 2KQ. So 2KQ is common. So that means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, that is Q divided by L, 2. So with the 2 common, so remaining, so 2 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught L andre 1 minus 2 1 by, that is a 1 by root 5. So which is the answer? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2Q divided by L, 1 minus 1 by root 5. That is a option C is the right answer for the 9th question. So let's move to the 10th question. So now the 10th question ಏನದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 concentric spherical shells have radii A, B and C. So okay, so this is a concentric shells. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so 3 concentric shells. So now the question is, so this is the A, this one is B, so this one is C. So this is the first one is surface charge density is sigma, this is minus sigma, this is plus sigma. So what is the problem? You have to potential at A, B and what C relationship. Okay, you have to find out potential at A. So potential at A is equal to potential at A due to A plus potential at A due to B plus potential at A due to C. So potential at A due to A. So that means so that should be inside, that is potential at A due to A, that is on the surface. Okay, on the surface. Potential at A due to B. So due to B in the that should be inside. Potential at A due to C, that is also inside. Okay, so we know that formula. Potential at inside, potential at inside is equal to KQ by R. R is the radius. Potential outside ಅಲ್ಲಿ KQ by R. R ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ vary. This is the formula. So now that is equal to, now you have to put the value. Potential at A is equal to K. K value is how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. So Q andre you have to charge density sigma. So sigma is equal to charge divided by 4 pi R square. That is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Sigma into 4 pi radius A square. Okay, KQ divided by R. Firstness pair radius is how much? A. So then potential at A due to B, that is minus Y. Sigma is a surface charge density is minus, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma 4 pi B square divided by, so what is the, so inside andre radius, what is the radius is here? B. Then again plus, because surface charge density is plus, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma 4 pi C square divided by C. So now you have to get the cancel. 4 pi cancel, A cancel. So potential at A is equal to sigma divided by epsilon naught. So sigma by epsilon naught adre what is remaining is here A minus B. B get cancel, C get cancel, 4 pi cancel. Okay, minus B plus C. So this is a potential at A. So similarly potential at B. So potential at B is equal to potential due to A and the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma. So what is charge? 4 pi A square. So A square divided by potential at B due to the A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು outside. So outside andre that is distance is how much? A or B, sorry. So B is the distance. Then minus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma 4 pi. So what is the radius of the B? Second into B, so that is B square B. So then plus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma into 4 pi C square divided by, so potential at C due to the A. So that is due to the A andre outside andre that is C. So now we have to simplification. Potential at B is equal to, so sigma divided by epsilon naught, 4 pi cancel, 1b A square by B ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, 4 pi get cancel, 1b minus B, 4 pi cancel, 1c plus C. So this is the potential at what? B. Then come to the point of potential at C. So potential at C is equal to, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma into 4 pi A square. Potential at C ನೋಡಿ, potential at C due to the A ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ outside. ಸೊ outside ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ C, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ outside ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೋಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ outside ಅಂದ್ರೆ r ವೇರಿ, ಇದು r ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught, so sigma into 4 pi. So potential at C due to the B andre B square divided by, so this is also ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಟ್ ಸಿ ಗೆ ಇದರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಟ್ ಸಿ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಎ ಗೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್, ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಟ್ ಸಿ ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ದ ಬಿ ಗೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught sigma into 4 pi C square divided by C. So now you have to do the calculation. Potential at C is equal to, so 4 pi get cancel, that is a sigma divided by epsilon naught. So remaining ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A square divided by C minus B square divided by C plus C. So now potential at C is equal to sigma divided by epsilon naught. So iveradru common factor ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that is sigma divided by epsilon naught A square minus B square divided by C plus C. A square minus B square formula ಏನು, A plus B into A minus B, so divided by C plus C. So from the data, so data ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, that is A plus B is equal to C. So A plus B plus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು ಈಗ, so in the place of A plus B ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು C. So A plus B ನಲ್ಲಿ C ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ this one get ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cancel. So that is equal to, so potential at C is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, so A minus, so C get cancelled ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, A minus C, sorry ಇದು B, A plus B into A minus B formula. Okay, so A minus B plus C, so this is a C. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ look at these one ನೋಡಿ, so this is, so bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sigma divided by epsilon naught. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ then you have to comparison BA and BC, both are same. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ from conclusion ಏನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು, that is VC is equal to what, VA, both are same. Look at this one ನೋಡಿ, VA A minus B plus C, A minus B plus C, so but not equal to VB. Okay, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ which is the right answer, VC is equal to VA but not VB, that is a option D is the right answer for what, so question number 10. So come to the point of next question, question number 11. So question number 11 na nodi, so a hollow metallic sphere, so this is a hollow metallic sphere. So hollow metallic sphere,
Hey there, Subscribe to my channel and also press this bell icon so you can get latest video notification.
So a hollow metallic sphere of radius is 10 centimeter. What is the question? So the question is charged such that potential is at the surface. So surface nalli potential is equal to on the surface is equal to 80 volt. The potential at the center. So nodi at the center to the potential is the potential is same from center to the surface. Okay, hagadre potential at the center is equal to potential at the surface, that is equal to 80 volt. So that is the A option is the right answer for the 11th question. So question number 12, the diagram. So show the equipotentials regions. That is a potential at A minus potential at B is equal to potential difference is equal to work done from A to the B divided by Q naught. So this is a formula. So the first figure. So first figure nalli this is the potential difference 30-20. Okay, so 30 minus 20 40. Okay, 40 minus 10 ಇದೆ. Second figure ಗೆ 40 minus 10, 40 minus 10, 40 minus 10. So the work done for all the figures are what? Same. So in 4 cases the work done is remains what? Same. That is a option A is the right answer for this question. So question number 13 nodi. Question number 13. If potential, so this is a potential. So the electric field at the points anna kelidane. So first one is that is electric field is equal to that is a so dV by dx I cap plus dV by dy j cap plus dV by dz k cap. Okay, so this is the electric field and potential for the coordinate system relation. So that is the Ex. Okay, andre E is equal to Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap. So this is also relation. Hadre Ex is equal to so dV by dx, so that is equal to enagidali 6y. Similarly Ey, okay, so Ey is equal to dV by dy. So dV by dy andre so that becomes 6x minus 1 plus 2z. Then Ez is equal to dV by dz. So differentiation of z, so that is only for 2y. So the electric field and L ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು x, y, z. This is the points. So Ex is equal to y function is 1, 6. So this is equal to so 6. So this is a 6. 6. So 6 minus 1. So that is 5 k cap. So this one is 2 sorry, idu j cap y function j cap phi j cap, this is k cap. So what is the answer? The answer is equal to, so minus sign allide, so minus of this one. So that is electric field is equal to minus, so minus first one is 6 I cap, then plus 5 j cap plus 2 k cap. So which is the answer? 6 I cap plus 5 j cap plus 2 k cap. Option D is the right answer for this question. So let's move to the next question. So the next question already in the region of potential, same question. So 6x 8xy minus 8y 6yz, where we the potential xy are the meters. So the electric force ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. electric force is equal to E into Q naught, E into Q. So first you have to find out electric field. So the electric field Ex, so x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 6 minus 8y, so this is no x function. Okay, so that is answer is equal to, so this is a x y z. So the x ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 6 minus 8, that is equal to minus 2 I cap. So then y, so Ey is equal to y function. So this is no minus 8x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus into minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು plus. Okay, we have to last it on minus sign. So minus sign, minus 8x minus 8 plus 6z. So that is Ey is equal to minus 8 I cap minus 8 j cap plus 6 k cap. So this is Ey. Ez, so that is Ez is equal to plus 6y. So andre 6 k cap. So what is the answer for this one? So that is the answer. E is equal to square root of Ex square plus Ey square plus Ez square. Why? Because magnitudes are given. Okay, this is 2 square 4 plus, so this one is 64 plus 64 plus 36 plus 36. So what is the answer for this one? So that is a 2 root 35 is the answer for this one. Hagadre force is equal to E into Q. So that is 2 root 35 into charge is how much? 2 coulomb into 2. So that is equal to 4 root 35. So which is the answer for this one? 430. So root 30, that is a option D is the right answer for this question. Okay, 4 root 35 Newton. So let's move to the next question. So nodi next question anna nodi. So this question is asked in 2013 alli. It is ide ABC are the points in the uniform electric field. The electric potential is ಎಲ್ಲಿ maximum ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, B point maximum, this point ಅಲ್ಲಿ minimum. Y electric field is equal to minus dV by what? dr. So the potential is decreases, the potential decreases the potential decreases along the direction of what? Electric field. So potential so this should be decreases. Okay, so this one is B point at the maximum. Option D is the right answer. So 16th question. So 16th question annodi V is equal to 4x square volt. The electric field at this point. E point to X, Y, Z. Okay, so only for x function ide, that is Ex is equal to dV by dx. So that is equal to 8x. So 8x upandre, that is Ex is equal to 8. X is how much? 1. So into 1, that is a I cap. Okay, I cap. So that is 8 I cap. So I cap means which axis? So this is I cap, J cap and K cap. So that is along x axis. So 8 along negative x axis, 8 along positive x axis. That is a option B is the right answer. Sorry. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ dV by ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus sign ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನಿದೆ E is equal to minus dV by dr. So minus sign minus upandre minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is answer ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? That is a negative x axis. That is option A. Sorry. Option A is the right answer. So let's move to the next question. The electric potential at the points X, Y, Z is given. This is a potential. So the electric field at that points is the question. We know that is a electric field and potential is equal to, so E is equal to, so minus, that is delta P. So that is equal to minus, so dV by dx I cap plus dV by dy j cap plus dV by dz k cap. Okay, so then so electric field is equal to minus first one dV by dx I cap, x and differentiation madana, minus 2xy, so minus z cube, so this is I cap, then plus sign, so y function y illide, minus x square, so there is a no, that is a j cap, then plus z, so z ana no z, this is a z, minus 3x z square k cap. So what is the answer for this question? Minus into minus plus 2xy, so 2xy plus z cube I cap, then minus into minus plus x square j cap plus 3x z square k cap. So which is the answer? 2xy z cap I cap x square j cap. So So 3xz square, that is a option D is the right answer for 17th question. So let's move to the question number 18. So question number 18 ana nodi. Charge Q2 is center of the circular path. Okay, so charge Q2 is the center of the circular path with the radius is how much? R. Work done to carrying the charge Q1 once around the equipotential path. So this is called as what? Equipotential surface. Okay, equipotential surface. So what is the work done in equipotential surface? The work done in the equipotential surface is equal to 0. Okay, work done to carrying the, so work done to carrying the charge from one point to the another point in equipotential surface. So in equipotential surface is what? 0. So that is a option C is the right answer for 18th. So the 19th question. The charge plus Q are placed at the corners of isosceles triangle ABC. So that is a side is how much? This is a 2A. So this is also 2A. So now what is a question? The work done to carrying the charge D to the E. So D to the E means the potential E is greater as compared to D. Potential difference is equal to the work is done from D to the E divided by charge yavadanta helidane Q charge. So what is a potential at E? E at the potential. So potential due to A, potential due to C, and potential due to the B. Okay, this is the potential due to the B. So similarly, what is a potential at D? Potential due to B, potential due to C, and potential due to the what? A. So the potential at this one, this is A, total again 2A, right? This one is A, this one is A. So this is 2A. So what is this one? This is a right triangle. So this is a right triangle means, so this is a 2A square and 4A square. This is A square. That is equal to 5A square. This distance is equal to how much? So this distance is equal to root 5A. So root 5A. Rather this one. So this is A square. Rather this distance is equal to, so A distance ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ distance. So let's see, that is a BE. Okay, so B is equal to root 5A. So what is AD? So AD is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ A square, that is root 2A. So now we have to do the calculation. What is a potential at E? That is a potential at E is equal to, so potential due to A. So k, the charges all are same andre plus q plus q plus q. Kq by distance is a plus kq by, so this distance is also a, so plus kq by what is the distance of this one, that is root 5a. So answer kq divided by a common, so 1 plus 1 2 plus root 5. So what is a potential at D? Potential at D is equal to kq by a plus kq by a plus kq divided by root 2a. So that is kq divided by a. So what about this one? This is a 2 plus root 2. So there, what is this one answer? Kq divided by a. So that is 2 plus root 5. So what is the value of root 5? So root 5 is 2.23. So 2 plus 2.23. So that is equal to potential at E is equal to, so 4.23 kq divided by a. So this is a potential at E. So this is potential at D is equal to, so kq divided by a. What is the value of root 2? So root 2 value is equal to how much? 1.41. So this is 1.41 agre, that is a 2.41. So 2.41 kq divided by a. So what is the final answer is here, the potential difference. So work done from D to the E is equal to, so you have to do the cross multiplication. So the work done is equal to VE minus, so agare minus anna madadaga kq by a. So this is 4.23 minus 2.41. So 4.23 minus 2.41, so that is equal to 1.82. So nearly 2. So 2 kq divided by a. Three charges plus q. So this is a plus q plus q plus q. So isosceles triangle. So this side, that is a, this distance is equal to how much? 2a. So this distance is equal to how much? So this is also 2a. Okay, idu kuda middle point ide, this is also middle point. So then work done to taking the charge q from D to the E, that is a potential difference VE. So from D to the E andre VE minus VD is equal to, the work is done from D to the E divided by what? Charge is capital Q. So this is a formula. What is a potential at E? So E point at the potential odana. So what is the potential due to the A? So potential at E is equal to potential due to A barutte plus potential due to B plus potential due to C. So B in the andre, this is called as B. So what is the this distance? So E distance anna nodana. Similarly, what is the potential at D? Potential at D is also potential due to A plus potential due to B plus potential due to C. Potential due to A. So this is 2A adre hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. So what is a Pythagoras theorem? AD square. So AD square is equal to, So that is AC square, 4A square minus A square. This is a, this is a. So that is equal to 3A square. That is AD is equal to how much? AD is equal to root 3A. So this is a root 3A. This root 3 ಆದರೆ this is a middle point. This is also middle point. What is this distance? This is also root 3A. So ನೋಡಿ, the potential due to point charge formula. So potential due to the point charge is equal to, what is a formula? The potential is equal to KQ divided by what? R. This is a formula. So K is same, charge Q. Okay, so ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ K both are same ಇದೆ. Charge both are same. This is also Q, this is also Q, divided by, so distance ನೋಡಿ. So D point ಗೆ first distance, second distance, first A ಬರುತ್ತೆ, second A, third root 3A. So first A, second A, third ಗೆ root 3A ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ? This is D point. So similarly, so ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ A ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ A, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ A, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ A, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 3A. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, VE ಮೈನಸ್ VD. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. The potential difference between VE is equal to VD, both are same. So then that is a potential difference is equal to 0. Work done from D to the E is equal to 0. So what is the answer? That is a fourth option is the right answer for 19th question. Then question number 20. The charge plus Q and minus Q are placed at the A and B respectively. So which is the distance is 2L. So this is a plus Q, another charge is, this is minus Q. So placed at the distance is equal to how much? That is a 2L. Okay, 2L. C is the middle point. C is the middle point means, so this distance is equal to L and this distance is equal to L. So what is the work done to moving the charge in semicircle? So semicircle andre, that is potential difference between D minus C is equal to work is done from C to the D divided by charge is Q. So this is a formula. Okay, so what is the potential at C? C atra potential annu nodona. So potential at C due to the potential at A plus potential due to the B. So this is a dipole. So dipole plus Q minus Q. The potential in the dipole, the potential in the dipole is equal to what? 0. So why? Because potential is equal to, what is a formula? That is KQ by R. ನೋಡಿ, charge plus Q, this is minus Q. So ಒಂದು A ಇಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು B ಇಂದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So then distance is same. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ potential at C is equal to 0. So 0 ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು. Then potential at D. So potential at D is equal to, so potential at D is equal to, so this is a D point. So D point hatra, so potential due to A plus potential due to B. So adre potential at D is equal to A point. So nodi A point hatra enide plus sign. So that is KQ divided by distance. So L. So what about this remaining distance? This is also L. That is overall distance 3L minus KQ divided by, so what is the distance? This one, B point. The distance is L. So what is the answer for this one? That is KQ divided by L is a common, so that is a 1 by 3 minus 1. So potential at D is equal to, so what is a potential at D? So the potential at D is equal to, so that is a minus, so minus, that is K value is how much? 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by L. So this is 1 minus 3, that is a minus 2 by 3. So then what is a potential at D is equal to, so minus, so 2 1 ja 2 2 ja, that is a Q divided by, so 3 2 ja 6 pi epsilon naught L, the charge is Q. Okay, so this is the work done. Okay, the work done is equal to formula D, the work done from C to the D. So the work done from C to the D is equal to potential at D into capital Q. The potential at D and then minus QQ divided by 6 pi epsilon naught L. So which is the right answer? So minus QQ divided by 6 pi epsilon naught L. That is a option C is the right answer for the 20 question.